On some level, every single leader wrestles with time management. It feels as though you have more responsibilities and projects and deadlines and obligations than you do have time required to get those projects done. And yet, somehow, the highest performing leaders are able to still get done significantly more than what everyone else is able to get done, even though they have the same amount of time. What is it? What's their trick? What's the hack? Well, we all are familiar with time management techniques. One of the more popular ones is time blocking, where you set aside time on your calendar, maybe from 9 to 10 or 9 to 11 or 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., and you just lock in. You shut off your emails, you turn away distractions, you cut off your teams, and you just focus in on that task. And for many people, that is a method that works. But there's a new kind of growing body of research which focuses more on energy management. In fact, they recommend that rather than time blocking, that you energy block, that you find the time on your calendar when your energy is at its highest, when you feel fresh, when you're dialed in, when you're focused, and that you schedule your highest priority items around when your energy is the highest. So if your energy is dialed in right at the beginning of the day, then that's when you would focus on your needle moving agenda items. But if your energy is the highest after lunch or towards the end of the day, then that's when you schedule your most important work. Now, there's a lot of leaders like myself who it's really hard to kind of focus in first thing in the morning because we got, inboxes buzzing and people are calling and Teams is going off. Then it's just really hard to block out all of the noise. And so what you might have to do is say, you know what? I'm going to give myself the first hour of the day. And then while my energy is still high, I'm going to dial in on whatever projects, whatever assignments, whatever deadlines I'm trying to meet. As a leader, you have to understand when are you at your best? And whenever you are at your best, that's when you want to schedule your most important work. So, yes, I recommend time blocking and employing time management techniques, but I also want you to consider energy blocking. When are you at your best? And whenever that is, let's make sure that we block that time to do our best work.